今次中國電影展映由中國電影合作製片公司主辦，喺多倫多國際電影節期間展映5部對當代社會問題進行探討嘅中國電影，分別係《保你平安》、《穿過寒冬擁抱你》、《我愛你》、《三大隊》同《我們一起搖太陽》。演出呢幾部電影嘅包括兩岸三地著名演員，好似係張譯、秦昊、黃渤、賈玲、梁家輝、惠英紅同葉童等。好多觀眾喺觀看後表示，通過今次活動更深入咁了解到同貼近中國文化及現代社會生活。
I feel like this event is really great. As a third generation Chinese, I feel like it helped me reconnect with my roots. I don't think that that I've had much chance to watch a lot of Chinese movies in my life. But when I saw that TIFF was showcasing Chinese movies, it made me so happy that I could come and watch a Chinese movie.
此外，主辦當局亦希望借此推動更多中國影片走向國際市場。TIFF 今年仲宣布喺聯邦政府資助下，由2026年起將擴大官方電影市場，進一步推動電影嘅全球銷售。